So you guys, I was playing with the 100 blocks and I wanted to figure out some other stuff. Are there other patterns that make up this huge big guy? And what I noticed is that this little guy, there's 100 of them inside this big guy. And the other thing I noticed was that there are 10 of these long guys inside this big guy. And I thought to myself, wait a second, is there a way to represent this big hole in a different way? So I decided to take them apart. Take these apart to make this guy a bigger one. And what I used was a number line. So then as I took them apart, I had one, and I noticed that I could do this. I could place this number right here and say that this was 1 out of 10 because I took 1 out of the 10 that made it up. And I continue to do that by placing them evenly along and creating this giant number line. And as I place them, I place my number. Now I had 2 out of 10. I grabbed the third one and I had 3 out of 10. Then I had 4 out of 10. 5 out of 10. 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, and my last one made up the 10 out of 10. Now what I had created was this huge number line that went all the way across. It broke this guy down. Now the interesting thing is that I ended up with the same thing, 10 out of 10. And what I noticed is that this big guy was one whole, which is the same as 10 out of 10. So now I could use the giant 1 to say that this big giant number line represented this one whole. They were equivalent.